What's good, guys? Welcome back to work channel regarding hobbies. So today I'm going to do English content. So I'm going to talk about this shoe right here, Nike Fly.By Mid 2. So now they have I think the newer edition, or the current one, or the updated version is the Nike Fly.By Mid third, I think, the updated version. So this one is size UK 10 or US 11. The color is black, slash wolf gray. So they have black color and a bit of wolf gray element to the shoe. So this is Nike, product by Nike. You already guessed it, I think, by seeing at the orange box color. Just do it, swoosh logo, and then we're gonna see the shoe. So I'm doing this unboxing in the car because I'm delivering or just getting this product. Actually, this is a what do you call that, affordable market segment. This is debuted at a price of 65 USD, so quite cheap thing. So this is the shoe. If you look at the shoe, resemblance of many previous Nike model. So swoosh swoosh, and this is wolf gray. This is not real leather for me. First look at it, it didn't look like real leather, but if you look closer, it is it is look like leather. I'm not really sure. Maybe this is just a synthetic leather, but to look here at the side cut, you can see it is like leather. I have that. So I'm not really sure this is genuine leather or not, because it's not Adidas in the tag. There's leather symbol, but this is because this affordable segment. Maybe this is a synthetic leather. So here the black color feature in the shoe is synthetic material. No, synthetic, it's a fabric material. So the tongue here also same material. So you have Nike. Here you have full synthetic material. So this one may be a real leather, but not a full grain leather or expensive leather. So this shoe have a full length cushion. This is a foam full length cushion if you look at here, but this is not a Phylon. This, I'm not sure what is the name of this affordable segment foam, but the foam is quite soft. But by trying it previously, I think it's not as good as Phylon, but for this entry level or mid level, I think it's quite okay. So if you look at here, the shoe have quite a good support. This leather is to support, to give a good support lah. So here up here also have the same support system by having a dual material, V3 material in this upper segment. So look at the back, there's a tab here, red color. Swoosh here is embroidered here at the back. So this is a mid-cut shoe, so it gives you quite a good support lah. The only concern is that this is lacking of cushion setup lah. Cushion because this is a cheaper version of foam, but it is a full length, so I can say that this shoe is for the younger generation market segment lah. Because I think for the youth, or maybe young adults, don't have any problem using less cushion setup. So this is perfect for them, and this is cheaper for them, affordable for them to buy it, rather than buying a very more expensive shoe. So if you look at the outsole here, it have this circular or semicircular motion pattern. The rubber here is quite firm, to say it is too firm is not really too firm, but quite pliable. But the line here, we call the line here, the extrude line here, is not that long. So it is, by doing it, I feel like it is quite pliable, but at the same time it is quite firm as well. So I think this is acceptable to be used outside, to play outside, outdoor. But I read some of the reviewer, or watch some of the videos, say this is not gonna stand that long outside. But I think because this is a cheaper version, I think you can crash it outside, no big problem. One of the reason is because it doesn't have any airbag, a zoom bag or anything. It doesn't have a pylon, and have this softer foam. So I think it's not a big problem if you want to use it outside. And because it is 65 bucks shoe, maybe you can try it, and in the long run, I think you will feel like the foam will not work as you first use it. But overall, support here, I can say that the support is good, the setup is good. They have this middle section here, so it give you that good support. And the ankle area also have that support. This is a mid cut, but look at it, I first thought this is a low cut, but after trying it, I think this is middle cut, mid cut. So it also have quite a lot of padded cushion inside, and give that good comfort. And to look at it, for 65 bucks, I think this is quite a banger for entry-level user, especially the youth, young adults who are not, I think, is not willing to use all their money to buy a more expensive shoe. So that's it, my quick review on this model. I think I bought this for my player actually. I think it is quite surprising for a 65 buck model. They have a full length cushion setup, even though this is not a very good cushion setup, but for a youth level user or entry level user, I think it will be okay for them. And to look at how the rubber and outsole, I think also make my mind to buy this shoe and recommend to one of my players. Look, because of the shape of the shoe is not flat, it have that rocker effect. And to look at here, they also have this support here. Look at the toe box here. It is canvas material, and they have this fuse to give extra support at the front toe of our shoe. So that's it guys, my quick review on this model, the Nike Fly.By Mid 2. So I think this colorway is quite okay. I think among the colorway that they offered, I think this one is look the best lah. They also have the all black colorway, also have the red one and blue if not mistaken, but I think this one looks the best. Especially they have this green mint outsole, make it look like quite a good basketball shoe for this entry-level shoe segment. So that's it guys, don't forget to like, comment, share this entry today, this post today. Subscribe to my channel, I need to grow it, and most important is see you guys in the next one. Peace.